Alright, so for today's video, we are going to get the square of the binomials 3x plus 2. Usually, we make use of vertical method and FOIL method, but this time, we are going to use table to get the square of this binomial. So let's start. Start from 3x, write 3x and 2, and write again 3x and 2. Why we have to write 2, 3x and 2? Because of this square. It means there are 3x plus 2. And then get the product of 3x and 3x. That will be 9x squared. Get the product of 3x and 2. It's gonna be 6x. Get the product of 2 and 2. That's 4. And get the product of 3x and 2. It's 6x. And then add this 6x plus 6x is 12x. So your answer, or the product of 3x plus 2 is 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. Okay, let us have another example. So for this time, it's gonna be the square of 4x minus 1. So let's write 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. So multiply 4x times 4x, 16x squared. 4x times negative 1 is negative 4x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. 4x times negative 1 is negative 4x. Now, add this one, negative 4x and negative 4x, we have negative 8x. So the product, or the square of 4x minus 1 is 16x squared minus 8x plus 1.